Hello friends, I welcome you to this channel. In today's video, I want to share with you guys on how you can set your indicator that will fetch you money, which is Bollinger Band and stochastic RSI. I'm gonna be teaching you step by step on how to set this account and how you can actually be making from $10 to $100 on daily basis, even as an African, and even you can do this thing worldwide. Okay, anywhere you are, you can use it to make money as a side also for yourself. Okay, so in yesterday video, I was teaching you guys on how you can use this particular strategy, which is over here. When the market cross this Bollinger Band, you buy, and when it crosses here, you sell. Okay, so at the same time you can make money with this. But today a lot of people have been sending me message concerning that particular video, so and I want to share more insight to you guys. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn up the notification bell. Okay, so actually for today, you can see over here, this is the high of the day and the low of the day, which we have not completed 24 hours. So by evening, you'll find out that over this particular place, a lot of people, this market might open back with 122 and end up 130. So if you have bought this market, you have made a lot of money. So but we'll have a VIP group where I give daily signals on this particular trade. Okay, it costs only about 20 USDT for you to join us. So let's go. So over here, if you want to set the indicator, you click over here. Okay, once you have clicked over here, then over here you can see there is Bollinger Band here. So and another thing you need is stochastic RSI, okay, and relative strength index. Just make sure that once you click this first one, Bollinger Band, just leave it like this. Okay, just confirm over here, confirm, make sure it's on a default, and when you click this particular one, just confirm. Okay, confirm, simple. You click this particular one, just confirm. Okay, let it be on a default. Okay, that particular default is actually what you need. The people that set it like that know the reason why they set it like that. So if you have done that, this is what you will see. You will see all these things. Okay, you see all these three lines, and this one, and the last one, which is this particular one. Okay, so you see this stochastic, and you see this and this particular one. This is the three things you will do, what you will see. Okay, so how do you make money with this particular strategy? That is the big question. So now the way you can make money, I've taught this particular strategy yesterday. Okay, but at the same time, there are some things I will need to teach you. This is an insight you need to know about. Okay, most of the times when this thing I'm trying to teach is the reason why you will need to be educated. So if you have not been trained, if you don't know how to trade actually, when to enter and when to exit, is very, very important you join my VIP or you join my class. Most of the times when the market close this particular line and here is at 0, most of the times you will enter the trade and it will go up a little bit. Okay, if it goes up a little bit, it might do what? Solicit. It might still continue to go back again. Okay, so this is the reason why you need to understand what you are actually doing. Okay, now let me use this as an example over here. You can see that actually this particular place here, you can see that this thing crosses here and it is a sell. Okay, it is a sell. And how do you sell? You go to your future and short it with one leverage. One leverage is just like spot, okay? It doesn't take money from your account like that. It just happen like spot, okay? So now, if you are to short from this particular place because it have crossed this boundary and it's now at 99 or 100 over here, you will find out that it went down a little bit, and you would have been waiting for it to cross this particular place again, just like this, for you to sell. Then it will take you a 1 week for you to execute this trade. But look at what happened over here. Look at what happened. It went from this place and continue to return back, and by this time you will lose money. So what do? I have strategized a particular strategy on how to exit the market. Even if I've made 10% of my money, I exit. Now let me share something with you guys here. This particular candlestick, if you enter here, this red one, do you know that you can actually, let me zoom this. Do you know that from this green, if you enter from this red candle, do you know that this particular red candle can give you 20% of your money? Yes, that is just the truth. Okay, that you don't even need much leverage for you to do that. Okay, this one particular candlestick over here, which you are seeing, can give you one. This particular second one can give you a minimum of 15 to 20% of your money, and you leave the market. Okay, so the problem most people have is that they don't want to exit the market. They want to use $10 to get $30, and the market doesn't work that way. Even in forex, when you try to do that, you might end up, it will become a gambling. So if you actually want to gamble in the market, then you will not make much money from the market. Okay, so what you do is that you follow the moving train. Okay, follow the moving train. This particular Trump coin signify what I'm actually want to tell you now. This particular place, yesterday when I was making video, this particular coin was at 984, which is Trump. I bought, immediately crossed this line, I bought this coin. Do you know when I exited the market? I exited the market from here. That was after 12 hours later. Okay, yes, that was after 12 hours to 14 hours later. I exited the market, and I made, from this particular place you are seeing here, I made almost 8 USDT with my 110 USDT. That was exactly what I made. I exited the market with $8. I wasn't being greedy. If you calculate that money, it should be around 8% of my money. I exit the market. But some people are still in the market, still holding their coin. And what you might see that will happen is that there might be a pullback from this particular place, and it will cross down again, crossing below where I bought the first one. Okay, so by that time you are in a loss. So this is a market you need to treat with care. Okay, so join us today and start making money with us. Okay, thank you. Peace out.